Well, hi friends, it's Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the stamp set Cheers and Sips. And you're going to get a little visit here with my kitty Molly. You don't really see her face, but you see her backside. She came in to say hi, and now we'll get to the card. So I have this. So the Cheers and Sips stamp set has a lot of little stamps, and I'm a big fan of little stamps. These are the little stamps make you very creative, I feel. So there's a strawberry, a citrus slice, a raspberry, an olive. There's some leaves, a cherry. There's an umbrella. There's a sprig of some kind of leafy thing. It even looks like lavender. Even celery stalk. Like, they have given you so many different ideas to make summer drinks, but also to give you like a summer vibe. I bet you I could come up with, I don't know, maybe at least 5 different ideas just using these small stamps. So right now I'm sort of making my own designer series paper. I'm turning the paper and I'm turning my acrylic block to make random strawberries falling all over the page. Then there is this one leaf that could be a mint leaf. It could be a strawberry leaf. So that's what we're going with. And I'm going to stamp in the middle. I could have left it just like that, but I felt like using this leaf is even more fun. So I can put this leaf in and I'm going to end up coloring them. So I'm using blends markers, and the blends colors that I used to color this today are Poppy Parade and Old Olive. I used Old Olive instead of Garden Green because I'm using a paper in this card design called Timeless Plaid. So I wanted to match the color that I chose for the paper. But basically, and I'm going to talk all the way through this because I got lots to tell you, but I wanted to share that what the colors that I used and how I'm using it. And basically, right now you can go ahead and purchase this stamp set. It is ready to go. The online or the catalog has opened. There is one more day left for my product share. I encourage everybody, if you want a nice way to sample kind of everything and get a little something of everything. I have full set syndrome. Right now I'm doing uncut paper share. So that means that it's like a half C's kind of a share where everybody gets a full 12 by 12 sheet of the designs and then, you know, like 6 by 6 or whatever. And it's a really affordable share. And then I have the ribbon and embellishment share as well, which is also really affordable. So, and I will just tell you with my coloring right here, I go in with the dark and that's, like I said, Old Olive. And then I sort of blend it out with my light. Anyway, so talk to you about my product share. You can go to sunstampin.com and click on the link. There's one day left. So you got to do it pretty darn quick. You can sign up and then I'll take e-transfers. And then I also have the In Color Club. So once you see all these beautiful new in colors coming out and you want all the things and you don't want to go broke doing it, it's a great idea to join the In Color Club because I have one going. It gets you all like a full set of everything. So cardstocks and blends markers and ink pads and re-inkers and the whole meal deal. And then there's like free gifts on months, or not free gifts, but bonus items on months 2 and 4. And then you'll end up with a full set of ink markers, not blends markers, but ink markers like the Stampin' Right markers as a free gift for me. And that's like worth about $24. So something to think about if you want to get those for free. You can, and you can do it through me. And there's a sign-up sheet, sunstampin.com. It's called the In Color Club. You can join at any time. So if you're thinking about it and humming and hawing, and it goes past May, and then you see all the products coming out, and then you're like, oh, I want a little bit of everything. I also have like a class, like a online class that comes with this, and you get consumables. I mail them to you. It's super fun for Canadians only. So I'm sorry about that, but got to do it. What else do I have to tell you? Oh, there's a joining offer. So the joining offer is pretty spectacular as well. Let me think here. What is the joining offer? I think, hang on, I just want to give you guys the right idea here. I think it's something, okay, here it is. It's between May 6th and May 31st. You'll get $220 Canadian in products for only $135 Canadian. So that is, do I have to do the math? I'm going to do the math. 220 minus 135 equals, that's a savings of $85. So that's a bundle, you guys. And then it's free shipping. So that's like an additional, I don't know, $20. And you'll get a free paper pumpkin kit in that as well. Plus you'll get some business stuff. You get a free catalog, and they give you some, you know, some nice things. So, and I would love to have you on my team. My team is amazing. I love everyone in my team. We have a lot of fun. We get together every month, and we hang out and do Zoom classes, and they get extra special stuff. And I'm not allowed to say what they get, but they get stuff that, it costs money, and they get it for free. So yeah, join my team. I encourage you. You won't regret it. Okay, so this is the plaid, timeless plaid, and this is the old olive version. I figured it reminded me of those like little pieces of material that are cut and put over jam. So I wanted to, that's kind of the idea that I wanted to go with this card. Anyway, I have lots of Stampin' Dimensionals on this this design piece. But you know what I forgot? I forgot to put the twine on it. It was sitting right there, but I got so involved and I almost, stuck it on backwards. So I was sticking it with all of these dimensionals, and I forgot my twine. So I'm going to share with you a little trick that I do. I do it all the time because I do this all the time. I forget stuff. So let's design the inside of the card with that remaining colored piece, because I'm not going to, waste that piece. But I don't like how the seam is. So I cut another 1/2 inch piece, maybe 1/4 inch, and just put adhesive on it. And then I tucked it underneath or over top of that seam. So I call it the unsightly seam. And I think it goes really well, the inside of the card, and then it also gives you less room to write your sentiment to the person on. Okay, here's the tip. Turkey baster thing. Turkey, I don't know, this is a chicken, what do you call these? I don't know. It's a needle, and I got it in my kitchen. I'm like, you know what? That's the perfect thing. So I sort of loop my string through, and I poke it underneath, and I'm pulling it out the other side. See, ingenious, right? It's sturdy. Of course, it doesn't have any chicken juice on it. It wasn't dirty, duh. But it did help me feed that string through. And I don't know what the string is. It was something I had in my stash. And you know what? I'm not gonna like get mad about this. You could use any twine for something like this. This just reminded me of, like when you do those preserves, you always have a little piece of string. But this string was unruly. I think it's from a paper pumpkin, to be honest. It was unruly, and the edges curled up on it so much that I had to take my Tombow glue, and I made a little line, and I stuck it right to the page. And then because it's glue, and I'm just going to weigh it down with a little weight. So I weighed it down with my acrylic block. I don't know if you guys use your acrylic blocks like that, but I do. And I know this is a simple card, but sometimes I made it more complicated because I forgot some stuff. All right, here is the sentiment. It says, It's your day. Let's celebrate. So I just have a piece of basic white here, stamping weight paper, and I have inked that up and stamped down, and I will cut it just out with my scissors, and I put dimensional adhesive underneath. So just because this is the launch day of the catalog, where I get my little affiliate links, my little links that will take you right to the online store, it's probably not working for today. So I'm going to leave that section of my on the YouTube and like the description box below on YouTube and on my blog. I'm just going to leave those blank today because it's always a very busy day and not everybody has, you know, their stuff together. But I did want to thank you very much for spending time with me today, and all the comments you leave, go ahead and leave them. If you don't see them show up right away, you will. I just approve them personally. And I also thank you for the thumbs up and doing all the YouTube-y things, you guys. I appreciate it so much. And just so you know, these embellishments are called the holographic resin dots, and perfect to go with this card. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow. And thanks again for watching. Bye for now.